And amid escalating tensions with Pakistan after Pahalgam terror attack, India is set for nationwide drills tomorrow. The order came after a series of high-level meetings led by PM Modi himself in Delhi to discuss India's retaliation to attack on April 22nd in Pahalgam in Kashmir. A preparation of nationwide mock drill has been initiated across Jammu and Kashmir and other states in the country also. Dal Lake in Srinagar, which is serving as a nerve center of the city, witnessed mega drill as part of and parcel of its plan of showcasing how the SDRF will respond in case of emergency at Dal Lake. Is here with more details from Kashmir.
After 1971, for the first time, the MHA has asked the civil defense to conduct the mock drill at various states and the UTs. And right now, we are reporting from the nerve center of Srinagar, that's the Dal Lake. You can see that these are the Jawans of SDRF having a prompt role in the case of the emergency. They have been, doing this mock drill as a part of preparation that will be conducted on the track. And the MHA's order assume utmost significance as it comes utmost 2 weeks after India witnessed one of its worst attack on civilians on April 22 in South Kashmir, Pahalgam. And such drill was last conducted in 1971, the year in which India and Pakistan went to war on two fronts. Now, besides this, you can see that the utmost siren are being used. This is a part and parcel of this mock drill because in the guidelines it has been, widely accepted and to have first-hand stock of these situations because sirens plays an emergency role when it comes to the development and mock drills and preparations that have been put in place. These are the Jawans of the SDRF who are working day in and day out for this mock drill, and we have been given the understanding that in the borderline areas, schools especially, which remains on the forefront and very vulnerable, they have also been asked to prepare on the tracks, and similar thing have been put in place. See on the other side, you can see that how the preparations have been done in order to ensure that tomorrow's drill will be on full swing, and that's the reason that this SDRF, these Jawans who are the prompt responder of the first emergency, has been doing it day in and day out in order to admire and admit what the MHA guidelines has been for the entire country.
And officials have clarified the mock drill we are talking about is not just a signal of immediate conflict, but part of a broader civil defense efforts for the country. Times Network's Shivani Mishra is bringing you this report to show how schools are training students to respond to any eventuality during a mock drill exercise. Take a look.
Ministry of Home Affairs has given a signal for the mock drill across the country. We are reporting from Jammu, a very sensitive region in India. And as you can see behind me are the students of school. Those are being given training as to how they have to safeguard themselves. And in fact, at the moment of time when constant cross-firing and cease-firing violation is taking place by the Pakistan. And as you can see, these are the kids of the future India that is trying to safeguard themselves. Here in the mock drill, they have been taught whenever there is a siren that is being ringed down or instruction given by their professors, at that point of time they will have to safeguard themselves. As you can see here, there are students, those have got themselves secured, downstairs, and also similarly you will see that they try to find themselves a shelter under their own benches, and also there are those who will lie down, and henceforth this image remains very important and significant to show you what exactly transpired in the mock drill. And here also the teachers have been told to monitor kids, tell them how exactly they have to get the first aids and how they have to safeguard themselves. And as you can see here, these are the visuals of the girls, those are trying to safeguard themselves under their benches, and their ears are blocked. And these are the primary instruction being given to the students in their schools, so that whenever there is a alert moment, whenever there is a firing taking place, they have to safeguard themselves and immediately find a shelter to secure them first, until and unless they get even better and bigger facility to safeguard on the instructions of their teachers and professors.